Fire, one of nature's most used resources, but can be deadly if you're not prepared for it. Greetings, my name is Dean Carlisle with the TriMas Corporation Environmental Health and Safety Department. Today we're going to be talking with you more about using a fire extinguisher properly. To make sure your extinguisher is in good working order, you need to have two forms of checks completed. The first one is an annual maintenance that's completed by an outside vendor. They will put the appropriate tag on here and identify the date that it was actually serviced. Secondly, we need to complete a monthly inspection. This could be completed in-house. First thing we're going to check is to make sure that the dial is in the green section, that it's pressurized and ready to go. The seal and the pin are still in place. There's no obstructions in your hose. Once completed, you're going to place the date and your initials in here to signify your monthly inspection. Because the contents are so light, chemicals can compact into the base of the extinguisher, so periodically we need to turn the extinguisher upside down to allow the chemicals in there to be ready to be discharged. Fire extinguishers are designed for very specific types of use. On every fire extinguisher, it's going to identify the types of fires that it is designed for. This one is an A, Class A fire, Class B, and a Class C, all in combination. Now your Class A fires are good for common combustibles, cloths, paper, wood, etc. Class B fires are going to be for flammable liquids. Class C fires are for electrical panels and electrical accessories that may catch on fire. Once you've identified that there's a fire, you would follow your local notification procedures, which typically is pulling the fire alarm, notifying others by use of a radio, intercom system, and such. To determine if you're going to make an attempt to extinguish the fire, you first need to think about your safety. You must always have a safe means of egress to get out of the situation should something happen adversely. Secondly, you're going to ensure that you've got the proper fire extinguisher and some backup support coming. Thirdly, we're going to make sure that the fire is no bigger than a trash can. This fire would be in the initial stages of the fire reaction. It's called the incipient stage. This fire is going to be a small fire, easily contained by a small fire extinguisher. Once you decide to extinguish a fire, you need to make sure that you have a safe exit prior to entering the area. You always want to make sure that your safety is the utmost importance prior to extinguishing the fire. Once you decide to extinguish the fire, you're going to utilize the pass method. You're going to pull the pin, aim the extinguisher, squeeze the handle, and then sweep, starting at the base of the fire and going through the fire. So in closing, I hope this video has helped you learn a little bit more about properly using fire extinguisher. If you have additional questions, please contact your TriMas Environmental Health and Safety representative. Thank you.